What's up guys, hope you all doing great. Now, with Sushant Singh Rajput gone, and the reason was that he was suffering from clinical depression. Many claim it's because he was made to feel an outsider in Bollywood and was never welcomed as one of their own. बहुत बड़ी डिबेट के चलते जनता चाहती है कि it's time nepotism ends and genuine talent gets a chance they deserve. बिल्कुल सही बात है. कुछ एक्टर्स भी हैं who made a mark in films without any connections, agrees that nepotism exists and are frequently posting on social media about it. लेकिन बात सीधी इतनी है नहीं. बात ऐसी है कि इंडस्ट्री में कौन है who is there to check if one is talented enough for a role. सुशांत के बाद it's more of a conscious call for all of us कि हम इसके बाद क्या प्रेफर करते हैं. We should know what's the right talent and what's not. Now let me walk you through the contents of this video. मैं इस वीडियो में आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि नेपोटिज्म आखिर कैसे जड़ से खत्म हो सकता है एंड वी आर ऑलरेडी ऑन अ वे टू एंड इट. आप इस वीडियो की टाइमलाइन को डिस्क्रिप्शन में देख सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू रियली वांट टू नो द रूट कॉजेज ऑफ नेपोटिज्म एंड हाउ वी कैन एंड दिस, प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखें और सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार, क्योंकि पूरी रात बैठकर रिसर्च की है इस वीडियो पर. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो क्योंकि फ्री है यार, बिल्कुल मुफ्त है. मैं थोड़ा नेपोटिज्म का प्रोडक्ट हूँ, तो प्लीज़ कर दो. इस वीडियो के 5 पार्ट्स हैं. फर्स्टली आई एम गोना टेल यू व्हाट इज नेपोटिज्म एंड हाउ इट वर्क्स. सेकेंडली द रोल ऑफ मीडिया. thirdly dreams of outsiders. Fourth, how we are responsible in this. And fifth, how we and digital platforms will end nepotism in the industry. तो सबसे पहले है what's nepotism in Bollywood. Now nepotism इंडिया में बरसों से चला आ रहा है. पुराने टाइम में राजा का बेटा ही राजा बनेगा वाली प्रथा थी. सिंपल एग्जांपल से समझाता हूँ. We all know this couple, right? She is the famous comedian who struggled and made a mark for herself on Indian television. मैं बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करता हूँ इसकी एंड आई लव हाउ शी डू स्टैंड अप. और जो भी इसने हासिल किया खुद के दम पर किया है यार. नाउ वंस शी गॉट सक्सेसफुल, शी मेड श्योर दैट हर हस्बैंड हर्ष ऑल्सो गेट्स वर्क. और इसी की वजह से ही इज गेटिंग टीवी सीरियल्स एंड ऑल द शोज. ही कैन बी अ वेरी गुड पर्सन, बट डज ही डिजर्व टू बी देयर व्हेन लॉट ऑफ अदर्स आर स्ट्रगलिंग? No. Let me give you another example. Priyanka Chopra. She won Miss World 2000, I guess. Once she got successful, she helped her sister Parineeti Chopra in getting films. Was she part of Bollywood? Initially, no. Isn't this nepotism? Yes. While hundreds of other girls may spend their entire youth even to get a fashion ramp walk with big fashion designers, some get things on plate. Why? Many have said, what's wrong in this? It's family helping family, friends helping friends. Then what's wrong in Mahesh Bhatt promoting Alia Bhatt or Karan Johar giving films to star kids? Isn't it family helping family or friends helping friends? और क्यों नहीं करेंगे promote? It's in Indian blood and ये कतई hypocritical है to blame only people of Bollywood. हम भी इस चीज़ के equally जिम्मेदार हैं. Bollywood is wrong in promoting nepotism over talent. I agree. But when it comes to the normal people, all these good things disappear in thin air. Many others who are still struggling in regional films or on YouTube, they are extremely talented. But the difference is they don't have right contacts. सच बताऊं तो नेपोटिज्म बिजनेस है, बाप बेटे का या बाप बेटी का. क्योंकि बाप मेहनत करता है और फल को अपने बेटे के हाथ में थमा देता है. बॉलीवुड की जो सो कॉल्ड फैमिलीज हैं वो क्या करती हैं? दे मेक मूवीज फॉर देयर सन्स एंड डॉटर्स. और अगर नहीं बना पाते तो दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स को जाकर बोल देते हैं कि भाई हमारे बेटे को या बेटी को अपनी फिल्म्स में लो इंस्टेड ऑफ समवन एल्स. सो दे टेक देयर सन एंड डॉटर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ समवन एल्स. दैट्स द पावर ऑफ देयर इन्फ्लुएंस एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड नेपोटिज्म. दिस इज लाइक कंट्रोलिंग द बिजनेस. वेदर इट्स राइट और रॉन्ग इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. The same used to happen with kings. That's why the Western world came with the beautiful concept of democracy, by the people and for the people. Now let's talk about how media is responsible for all of this. बात ऐसी है, the one who controls the media can control everything. जब मैंने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की पुरानी स्पीचेस और ओल्ड वीडियोस देखे, I was so surprised because media has never shown this side of such an intelligent actor. But then I realized most people in India are more interested in what Taimur has eaten or how Ananya Pandey dressed up for the gym. Also, these so-called powerful families also controls the media. So all you will see will be such stupid news only. I have seen such rubbish news in my feed, and if by mistake I click on it, the next day I'll see 10 more such posts. Due to this, star kids are so famous. Isn't it the point crystal clear here? The film industry is an industry where your face has a value. If you are a celebrity kid, you have always been facing camera constantly, focused, and all the media coverage. Right from pooping to eating, everything is covered by our media and social media. Now tell me one thing, why will the film producer take a random person in his film when he can make easy money out of these kids' established status? Nobody is there for a charity or a favor. Industry is not completely to be blamed. We are at the equal amount of guilt. Now let's talk about what about the dreams of outsiders. When Bollywood acquired industry status in May 1998 और जब corporate studios game में आए, माना जा रहा था कि things would change. Unfortunately, लोगों ने होने नहीं दिया. There continues to be a discrimination between the two types of film aspirants. One, who are young actors and directors from the families, and second, those who come to Mumbai from other cities with dreams. The difference is that the first one will be given numerous chances, while the outsiders have to succeed with their early projects. Otherwise, even the few doors open to them start slamming hard on their faces. Unfortunately, in the eyes of the studio people, there is still nobody bigger than the star, who is often seen as a gateway to generate big business revenues. With a star actor, director or producer in a movie, they are never questioned. Their recommendations directly make a movie hit. This practice adds yet another level of difficulty to the outsider's obstacle race to achieve stardom and a successful career. On the other side, जब outsiders so called elite clubs की दीवारों को नहीं तोड़ पाते और उनके standards को match नहीं कर पाते, they ends up having fewer projects coming their way और उसी से वो left out और vulnerable feel करते हैं. Now let's talk about how we are responsible. मुझे उन लोगों पर हंसी आ रही है जो करण जौहर, सलमान खान, आलिया भट्ट और दूसरों को अनफॉलो कर कर ये दावा कर रहे हैं कि हम नेपोटिज्म खत्म कर देंगे. भाई, दे हैव अ PR टीम who handles these social media accounts and they won't even care if they lost you as a follower. मुझे एक बात बताओ, why were you following them in the first place? Those nonsense movies were more profitable because audience went into theaters to watch them instead of Son Chidiya, Detective Vyomkesh Bakshi, amongst others. And if you really want to make a change, stop. Stop worshipping actors and stop watching movies that are not value for your money. They are above everyone else in this country just because they are actors. Stop making these people your gods. We as an audience have failed this industry and made them what they are today. We need to first understand our Indian culture. We do have a culture of celebrity worshipping and we are greatly influenced by them. So it is natural for our audience to embrace their children as well. इंडियन ऑडियंस सवाल ही यही पूछती है कि कौन है उस मूवी में. अरे सलमान भाई की मूवी है, चलो देखने चलते हैं. अरे शाहरुख की मूवी है, चलो चलो देखने चलते हैं. मूवीज कैन easily earn 100 crores despite being bad on every aspect of movie making because people want to watch such movies. Movies like Baghi or Houseful earning 10 times more than movies like Masaan or Tumbaad is a prime example of what kind of content our Indian audience likes to see. तो भाई लोग, ऐसी बात है, टट्टी देखना बंद करो और ये देखो जो नया है. वो फिल्म्स देखो जो फिल्म क्रिटिक्स आपको रिकमेंड करते हैं. फेस मत देखो, कंटेंट देखो. नाउ द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ माय वीडियो इज दैट हाउ वी एंड डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स विल एंड नेपोटिज्म इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. Nepotism exists in all fields, but somewhere in Bollywood, people are getting an undue advantage of it. Looking at Ayushmann Khurrana and Rajkumar Rao's success, I can say that things are going in the right direction. But still, a lot needs to be done. जो elite and powerful section से belong करते हैं, they will always grab the best slice of the cake. और they will be continue to promote nepotism and racism. सबको पता है. I strongly feel that इन barriers को तोड़ा जा सकता है. In a few months or maybe in few years, by the help of digital platforms like Netflix, Prime or Hotstar. Many filmmakers like Sujit Sarkar, Anurag Kashyap and Dibakar Banerjee began breaking all the rules in the industry almost a decade ago. But the results have always been mixed. Now digital platforms can take things to the next level and make things fair for every single actor and technician. Now a lot of actors have begun to see OTT platform as a gateway to cinema. It is a positive sign. A lot of content is being provided to the audience right now. And I believe that the talents loved by the audience will definitely get their due. Every responsible person who loves movies and want that Indian cinema should grow have to fight to prevent nepotism. Watch what's right and watch good content and give chance to new actors and new faces. And also one thing in defense of nepotism, Nepotism is the only thing stopping good movies from India that can win an Oscar. I have said a lot. I hope कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आ गई है तो सबसे पहले तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार. इतना सुन लिया है, अब कर दो यार, प्लीज़ कर दो. और फिर इस वीडियो को लाइक भी कर देना. दूसरी बात ये है कि अगर आप अच्छी मूवीज़ देखना चाहते हैं तो आई रिकमेंड मूवीज़ एवरी फ्राइडे. टैप द आई बटन ऑन योर टॉप राइट. I post videos weekly. Also hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. My name is Kapil Luthra, signing off. Love cinema.